dutangiye episode ya gatatu ya Freakish.
On Freakish.
Incamake kuri Freakish. Byose nibyo twabonye muri episode ya kabiri ni ya mbere.
Coach, it's not a drill. The chemical plant's on fire.
Umva chemical plant yafashwe n'umuriro.
Because what happened out there.
Ati papa yakunda gutega ibisasu biri chemicale. Nibyo twabonye. Boss. Bapfuye.
Tape off all the windows and doors to limit.
Kweza tukumeme ndani tufunga amadirisha n'imiryango.
There could be more of them out there.
Ati hano hanze harimo arazi ibindi. Koji twabonye ariwe. Adi. Aruma gashi mugenzi.
You okay?
Meze neza?
Of course I'm okay.
Cyane meze neza. Kaga kobwa ka Mary kariwe. Gashi ka Groove. Karaje mugenzi. Kaje hakuno. Mary musaza wakavayo.
You okay? Natalie's looking for you.
Umva umeze neza. Natalie arimo aragushaka.
You worry too much.
Na urahangayika cyane.
It's kind of what a big brother does.
Ariko ngamusaza nibyo ngomba gukora.
Yeah, well, it's so freaking annoying. It's like
Rero nje binera umushinyi ukomeza kumbaza umeze neza buri
you
kanya.
have some sixth sense that I'm not okay with.
Mana siziye musaza nitameze neza kubera uri muri ambangamira buri kanya umbaza umeze neza.
I so clearly am.
Meze neza na kibazo ariko baravuga mugizi gafite makanu. Arahumekera hejuru. Ntashaka kubabaza musaza we cyangwa kumuhangayikisha. Yicara iruhande.
I know what you're going through.
Ati biri muraca mu ndabizi.
Somehow I don't think that you do.
Ndacekana na kimuzi.
I was down there too, you know.
Erega nanjye ari hasi nari mpari. Sasa umusore azi yuko ibyo kabonye byagateye ubwoba.
We saw horrible things in that shelter.
Twabonye ibintu biteye ubwoba muri kiriya cyumba abakoci bari barimo. Hagaramenya ko mushiki we yari we. Grover.
I got bit.
Narumwe. Tamwereka kuguru kwa cyane cyamuteye amenyo.
Daddy.
Ati Adi yandumye. Saza we yikangamo. Yo. Yikangamo. Buricyavuga.
You think it's gonna happen to me?
Ese bro, uracekare kiri bumbeho.
Nothing.
Nta cyakuba.
It's gonna happen to you. We just need to stay calm.
Well, you don't see me.
Nta cyakuba kigomba gukora no gutuza.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Naye nagumeze ameze neza nta kibazo ngiye.
Just give me a second. Okay?
Amakanya nitekerezo. Sibyo?
It really hurts.
Birabaza ariko.
I don't know if I'm gonna get sick.
Sinzi nanye niba nande nongeye kurwara.
Do you think she gave this to
Mary,
me?
it's just a bite.
Warumwe ntabirenze.
You didn't go outside.
Ntago wagiye uza hanze, ntago ugeze usohoka.
Right?
Uranyumva? Humura ko utagiye hanze. Nicyo gisubizo. Ariko ibagiye hanze nawe wakabaye wanduye.
You're fine.
Bivuze ngo umeze neza aramukomeza nkamushiki we.
As far as we know.
Sahubwo tubizi babiri ntacyo.
Mary. Nothing is gonna happen to you.
Humura ntakiri bukubeho.
I won't let it.
Kana nubwo natumare kikubaho.
Okay?
Sibyo? Utuze.
I'm gonna go get you some bandages.
Deka nyene saki za bandage cyangwa ibipfuko ndagaruka kandi wicara gumaho. Sasa babirimo bazibanga ryabo Mary na musaza wende Grover Jones. Yakira aha sasa.
Mary, we need to do inventory while they barricade the doors.
Yewe sa Mary tugomba kugira barricades ku miryango ifunze. Je muri cafeteria tureko twapakira ibyo kurya. Dore hanze. Kirere cyose cyangiritse. Uyu kukuza hakuno nawe. Aza muri ka pharmacy k'ikigo, muri ka clinic. Pakira imiti. Za bande. Pakira ibyibanze. Urukoro ibiki n'ibiki. Hano nugufata ibinini byose. Yewe urakora icyo.
Hey.
Yewe.
Found it.
Ajara shana ndabibonye.
Not feeling very good.
Man, numva nameze neza.
Should we be worried?
Ase duhangayike natwe se.
It's just a small fever, that's all.
Numvaga akantu k'umuriro nameze neza afite magasereri.
Just sleep it off.
Ariko ni njyama birashira.
Since when does a fever need hydrogen peroxide?
None se kuba ufite umuriro nibyo bituma ufata hydrogen peroxide.
When do you care?
Ase birakureba wowe kumbaza byinshi. Iyi! Umuntu utwara imiti y'igike. Bano na muri kantini. Pakira ibyo kurya.
Those go in this row. See?
Yewe twerekeza hakuno hino.
So that's 53 cans for
Hano tumaze gushyira amacupa 53.
No, your count is off.
Abantu kubara nabe ni 51.
Pounds.
Katangiye gucanganyikirwa.
But that should still last us until we get rescued.
Bino biratumaza amasaha n'amasegonda biradusunika.
Anyone who finds us first.
Mbere yuko bitubona se.
Are you okay?
Ase kuvuga ukuntu umeze neza.
I'm just hungry.
Ndashonje gusa.
Do you have any more soup?
Hano se waba ufite indi sosi?
Yeah, like the kind you had earlier, the chicken and rice.
bya biryo wariye kare isupu y'inkoko n'umuceri.
Right.
Umuceri
But that was over 5 hours ago. How
ibyo biryo uri kumbwana biriya amasaha 5 yashize
did you know?
wamenye gute?
I smelled it on your breath.
yewe imihumekere yawe nabihumuriwe.
Is that like some party trick you do, or
hasi ibyo bintu murakora cyangwa se
part bloodhound?
waba ufite mu rubaraga rudasanzwe se? Sasa umukobwa senses z'umubiri we atangiye guhumurirwa ibiryo mugenzi we yariye kare ngo arimo arabihumeka byumva, bivuze ngo amazuru yatangiye kuba active arimo ararehareba.
I don't know.
Sinzi uko bigenze gusa ntacyo
Situation of our lives.
tubanze tuze tutegeze ubuzima bwacu bwa hano na
Clearly.
ariko byo kuba amazuru yari sensitive cyane akurura cyane nabyo ni byiza. Niba bitindaho umwana atangiye guhinduka yiswe freakish. Turi kuri episode ya 3 nakubwira cyari Sankara da Premier wumva.
You working on the radio?
Uracyakora kuri radio se?
Nice work. Any progress?
Abantu ni byiza kabisa akazi ni keza ariko hari icyo kimaze kugeraho se.
We have a signal.
Hano dufite sinyare.
Need to get someone to hear us.
Ahubwo tugerageze turebe ko hari umuntu watwumva aho ari. Arangije hari ibyo yakuyeyo.
Our medical inventory.
Ibyo ne bijyanye n'imiti.
And that is all the shit Grover took.
Ati ni imiti mugenzi wacu yatwaye sinzayijyanye. Wa undi Groove.
He doesn't strike me as much of a doctor.
None se ibintu bivuga ko ntabizi.
Give a reason?
Hari impamvu subimaye.
Well, he said he had a fever.
Ambwiye ko afite umuriro afite kantu k'amalariya.
Or he wanted to be with you.
Cyangwa ashaka kuba ari kumwe nawe.
He seemed off his game, though.
Bisa nkaho yatari yo mikino arimo.
You seem fairly on your game.
Bisa nkaho nawe tutwara neza muri uwo mukino w'urukundo hagati yawe na Groove.
I mean,
For a detention train wreck?
Ushaka kuvuga byari byatumye aza mu hano se?
Your words?
Ayo ni amagambo yasigiye bivuze.
Mine? So you were in for vandalism?
Hasi waba bagiye muri vandalism cyangwa? Oya.
Contraband.
Icyatumye se uguma ari cyari iki?
Murder.
Ubwicanyi.
See, I kill computer nerds.
Nica abantu babaswe nkamwe mukunda kwiga cyane computer.
Interesting.
More
than one.
Wishurenze umwe se?
Just the curious one.
Abanyamatsiko nkaye nibo bavuga ubusani wa mitana. Tazaba barasana. Aguma ku cyombo.
This is Kent High School.
Yewe ni Kent High School.
9 survivors.
Hari abantu 9 basigaye.
Repeat. Mayday.
Sasa urabe abanyeshuri uyu nguyu byizwe ngo arimo arahamagara hanze arebe ko bakominikana nawe nta nubwo mikoro icometse. Bisa nk'arimo arafenta bagenzi be.
Hi Mary, I got the stuff.
Mary nabonye imiti. Kumbe kugeraho Mary yararaho bacurangira. Yagiye kare. Aya ya mwanda. Abaye n'imiti ifite mu gakapu. Kumba banabo bibaba yabo.
Okay, now it's not really the time.
Mbashe ndetse cyatari cyo gihe.
It's not it. There's a problem.
Cyo nagari cyo kibazo.
100 problems.
Mba dufite ibibazo birenze ijana.
Not like this.
Ushaka kwitera ikindi gishingiye cy'urumogi.
Hey, how much more do you have?
None ufite ibimogi bingana iki?
Less than a day.
Ibyo mfite ntago byandengereza umunsi. Sasa hakuno. Wa mukobwa Mary. Imara biri byo bitunguranye. Arimo araswetinga buri kanya. Za hakuno. Bagenzi be. Agarimo arahuza nabo akomeza hakuno. Nudo.
Hey Mary.
Bite Mary.
So you have a companion?
Abantu sanga ufite muri kumwe.
From Mrs. Shear's room?
Wakuye mu cyuma cya shiri cyane.
Yes, he is.
Arashonje kano kantu kanye nifiti hano.
So on the night watch?
Yeah.
Murari joro muri kumwe cyane. Hanze aracyari icyitwa igihu ntago agaragara.
You look dazed.
Hasi ko munsa n'umuntu urushye.
Did you get in my locker?
Ese ugeze muri locker yanjye?
No, I
have
a headache.
Mfite umutwe ariko ntago meze neza. Nkeneye kuruhuka.
Alright.
Sawa?
Say goodnight, Mr. Oink.
Nsa onkira musezere.
Night, Mr. Oink.
Onkira uramuki. Kobwa afite akantu k'umunaniro buri wese kumaza aramureba akabimenya. Aza hakuno. Hani imiryango yose barayifunze bakubise iki? Ibibaho kureba hanze. Si umeze neza biraho. Gize gutyo. Aricaje abantu bantu za zombie hanze. Aga maina we hera tave. Kobwa ndagikanga Kobwa afite mikibaraga. Giye cyegera inyuma. yewe
What are you doing?
bakora iki hano musaza we
Mary, what happened?
ibi byageze biti mukobwa ntacyo
Let's get you bandaged up.
ngaho tugere mushyiriho za bande ndanagupfuke sasa ntibwatinze zaku namushyiraho ka rukoro hanagura aho yakomeretse ese ngiye gupfa ntabwo uri bupfe humura
All we know is you've got a bite.
icyo tuzi cyo nuko wari umwe
It's a small but gnarly bite.
ni akantu gatoya wari umwe ntabirenze nta kantu wakwandura
What are you gonna do if I change?
none se nimpinduka bro urakora iki
You can't think like that.
ibyo ntabwo ari byo ugomba gutekereza
I can already feel it happening.
kandi natangiye kubyiyumvamo uko birimo biraba ndimo ndahinduka indani ndi kubyiyumvamo
Natalie had soup this morning and somehow I knew.
natari ibintu yariye mu gitondo namwegeye numva muri we arimo arabihumeka byamwinjije mu maraso
Let me guess, you smelt it on her breath?
ye wumvisha natari bimuhumuraho amazuru yanjye atangiye gukora ibintu umuntu yariye mu gitondo ndimo namwumva bihumeka indani muri we sister
Hey, you're still warm.
ndumva ugishyushye
I'll go get you some water.
kajyane ngushakira amazi sibyo arakeneye
Cake.
nyine test cake
Right. I'll see if there's one left.
ndaza kureba niba hari indi isigaye wowe tuzi ugumaho sibyo ndakuzanira sasa hakuno mu kigo ntiyabura binjiza utuyoga utuntu nk'utwo uyakiraho iyi acaho bya biryo byo mu bikombe ahantu ari ni muri za loka abanyeshuri babika ibintu byabo maniga afite umunyururu wazi icyamutera cyose bagigira yitonze kumbera nyamunini kiri kinyururu hasi rikanga
Hungry?
ashonje na
I realize it's not a free-for-all, but this is not what you think.
ati rwose nabizi ko ibiryo bitemerewe kuba byabikwa na buri umwe ariko ntabwo ari byo utekereza sanga maniga arimo ari ibi biryo umukobwa wabipakiye wowe uzatekereza niba utekereza iki
I think you've been stealing food.
ndakeka uri muri ibi byo kurya
It's not that much.
ntabwo ari byinshi nibyo ariko
Look at all.
mbabarira ntubijyane abikuramo
Seriously? What is this, like 10 cans?
uducupa icumi twose ujyanye nagusobanurira
Doctor prescribed.
muganga arabinegetse
Yeah, because there's 2 of you to feed.
yagutegetse kurya amwitegereje
How far along are you?
ifite amezi angahe kumva umukobwa mugenzi aratwite muganga yamutegetse ibiporezo bihagije
8 months.
ndifite amezi 8
You can't tell anyone.
ariko ndakunyuza nugira umuntu ubwira ko ntwite ni ukuri
You can't do this on your own.
ibi ntabwo wabyicoboza na situation turimo inda si ikintu cyo guhisha
Look around you.
banza ureba bituzengurutse
No one is going to help. No.
nta muntu uri bumfashe ntabwo ari nonaha
All they're going to see is a big mistake.
icyo bari bubone ni uko nakoze amakosa ahambaye
Not a mistake.
wa mukobwa uri umuswe gutwita nta kosa ririmo
Trust me.
nyizera ibi byari
I even
igeze
told my own parents.
n'ababyeyi banjye ubwabo sindababwira ko ntwite maniga aramubwira ati inda mu bibazo turimo ntabwo ari ikintu cyo guhisha maniga arangije mugenzi nk'umuntu
We all have secrets.
ati twese muri tugira amabanga yacu umura ntabwo nakuvamo ibiryo ntiyabijyana disi ahitamo kumuhishira sasuye nawe arimo ararwana no gufasha mushiki we
Sure know how to treat a girl.
ariko umusore mazi uzi gufata neza abakobwa
Are you following me?
hasi urimo urankurikirana
Little twin.
rwose ni nk'andi manga yawe ariko mbi ushaka kuvuga iki
I mean, you're usually not a dick.
ndakeka ko utari umusore w'umuswa cyangwa umusore mubi
This may come as a shock to you, but my
hasi biragutunguye ko barimo nafashe
world
umuntu
does not revolve around you.
ntabwo abantu bose isura ntabwo izenguruka kuri wowe gusa abantu winesha umutwe
Mayday. Do you read?
mayday do you read
Mayday.
mayday sasa uyibuke ari barigira nk'umuntu uri guhamagara ubundi bufasha kandi mikoro iracomoye
All right, it's done.
nta na byose byaciyemo
Boys in.
nta muntu uravugana se
Look,
nta mahirwe nta muntu uyitaba
We still here, ain't we?
ewe nta muntu turumva nawe kabisa
you mean despite all your technical wizardry?
If the freaks get in, I can still outrun you.
mwana ngerega nawe ubona ko nta kimwe uramwishyiramo
Don't forget that.
ibyo ntubyibagirwe
Here's our tally of food.
dore ibiryo twari dufite ngibi ngibi
Enough to last for a while.
dore urebe igihe biri bumare
Quantify a while.
nta biratumaze akanya da
With careful rationing, just under 2 weeks.
icyo nabaza icyo nuko twabigabana hagati yacu ibyumweru bibiri.
It won't last that long.
Ntabwo byamara ibyumweru bibiri. Ati ntabwo turumara ibyumweru bibiri tukibazimu.
They know we're in here.
Birabizwe sasa umukobwa Mary atanya bwa ati ibiri hanze za zombie zirabizwe turimo indani.
They know we're in here.
They know we're in here. Ati zombies zirabizwe turimo indani.
The freaks?
The freaks ziranze?
Yeah, I didn't notice any.
Ntacyo nigeze menya njyewe.
You have to know where to look.
Mcherekane utanareba.
They hide in the haze.
Birimo birisha muri kiriya gihu.
But they're coming.
Usibye ko birimo biraza.
They're trying to get in.
Birimo baragerageza kwinjira. Kobwa sanga arimo arababwira ibintu biri bube ariko abantu bagasobanukirwa.
Let them try.
Reka bagerageza kwinjira maninga bahazura urumogi afite bati mu ntoki.
Your strength won't be enough.
Imbaraga zawe ntago zagije musore.
They know where you're hiding.
Bimenya aho wihishe kubera impumeko yawe.
They can sense things that we don't.
Byo bishaka kuba byakumva natwe ibintu tutabasha kumva.
Okay, this freshman chick's really
Kobwa arimo
freaking me.
aradukanga bana cyangwa.
Yeah, I'm not worried.
Bako nta butaka nta wakwanga nibyo.
They can't even get through the shelter doors.
Nta nubwo byarenga ku miryango uryifunze.
Not yet.
Ntabwo igihe cyagera pe.
I don't scare that easily.
Ntabwo njye ntacyo gipfa kunkanga gutyo gusa peti. Nta kintu gipfa kunkanga nkuko bitekereza.
Yes, you do.
Ahubwo ugira ubwoba bw'ikirenga.
You're a pretender.
Usibye ko uri umuntu uzi kurenzaho pretender. Wigira nkaho nta bwoba ufite kandi niwe bwa mbere buri nyabwoba.
Did I pretend to build a radio?
No, ni radio narigize nkaho ndimo ndayubaka se.
They can smell your fear.
Biriya bintu bishaka guhumurirwa n'ubwoba bwawe.
What about you?
Naho wowe.
How long do you think you'll last?
Yose uracyari kuri umara igihe kingana iki? Sangusekamo fa kuba nkubwiye.
I'm gonna say it now.
Mwana njye kwivuga none aha.
That girl is high as...
Kobwa niba tasinze.
Funny.
Ahubwo arasekeje.
Thinking the same thing.
Nani nibyo ari gutekereza.
Better keep an eye on Mary.
Bibaye byiza uyu mukobwa umuntu yamuhozaho ijisho. Sasa bikangamo. Uyu mukobwa umuntu amuhozaho ijisho. Mary kubera kwiheba. Ari kumva muri atangiye guhinduka. Azakuno gucuranga. Mu kigo Mary nta kandi kazi munyonzi. Pacuranga uruhu rwatangiye korohera. Imirya y'intango y'ibwayi ikamukata. Mugenzi uruhu rwe rwatangiye guhinduka bushikarete. Kaga kobko kari hakuno. Kamwe Grover atereta mu kigo abayo.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Sekundeba nabi ari cyo ufite nawe.
Are you okay?
Meze neza mata?
I don't like you.
Ntago nkunda umukobwa we.
So get in line.
Ngaho rero jya mu murongo.
Use boys.
Kunda gukoresha abasore.
And who are you to judge?
None uri n'uncira urubanza.
You don't know me.
Ntago nzi.
My brother's one of a kind.
Musaza wanjye ntago agomba kumera nkabo.
Do you understand me?
Uranyumva?
He is not a toy.
Musaza wanjye ntago ari ikinisho cyawe.
He's gentle.
Ni umusore mwiza muto kandi witonda.
Treat him that way.
Ntago ari kugomba kumufata.
Not even with your brother.
Umvana ngo nkundana na musaza wawe.
Look after him.
Bibaye byiza wamwitonda ukamufataho neza.
You take care of him.
Ugenda
or
umwitaho.
I will hunt you down.
Cyangwa nzaguhige.
Do you understand?
Uranyumva?
I don't know what your damage is,
Mwana sinzi cyo ufite cyo mu mutwe.
but we're all doing our best here.
Gusa no buri umwe aragiza gukora ibyo ashoboye. Sazo gabwa nafite mu mutwe abaniye. Kumbe ka Mary katangiye guhinduka. Gasura katangiye guhinduka umweru. Karangije. Maraso ari mu rwunyunyu. Sasa uyu nawe agira gutya abandi bose bahavuye. Hana afite kapini acomekamo hano. Yarangiza yambara bya headphones comeka mikoro.
Keyword
Jambo ry'ibanga
Flashpoint Zulu.
Flashpoint Zulu. Sasa bisa nkaho radio irimo irakorana n'abantu wanze ariko maniga yibayishe.
Welcome back, Zulu.
Urakaza neza Zulu. Niyo code hano bakoresha kugira bamenye ko ari bwe. Arimo aravugana n'abanza abandi batabizi. Yabwatinze. Hano harabari gusonga. Bari muri ibi miti sha.
Is that true?
Byaba ari ukuri. Bakiriye amakuru.
Violent. Yeah, she was
violent.
So
nta mukobwa yari ahangayitse Violet natwe ahangayitse.
I wasn't stashing anything.
Nta kintu ndimo ndeba mwana.
I went to the medic's office because I
nagiye muri biro y'abo babika imiti.
was feeling sick.
You don't look
numvaga ndwaye.
sick.
Umwana nagusa umuntu urwaye.
Your sister was worried too.
Na mushyo yari ahangayitse.
She just went off the deep end on all of us.
Yagiye natwe tubikamo ikintu cy'ubwoba.
Said we was gonna die.
Bisa nkaho yaragiye gupfa.
She did?
Atubwira ngo natwe tugiye gupfa.
Yeah, she
Yabivuze?
did.
Yabivuze mwana.
What aren't you telling us?
Hase icyo ndimo ndusha bro. Nicyo uri guhisha papa.
There's nothing. We're all good here.
Mwana ntacyo ndimo ndahisha twese tumeze neza.
Oh shit, what are you hiding?
Mwana tubwire urimo ndahisha iki.
We'll get your meds back.
Muhumure imiti ndayisubizayo.
But you need to get out of my way right
Ukikeneye mukeneye mumve mu nzira ntambuke. Batangira guserera.
The counselor said I don't respond well to threats.
Umva mwana ntabwo dushaka ibintu byo kutubeshya kuri tubikamo ubwoba butari ngombwa.
the point.
Bafite ingingo.
Easy.
Byoroshye mwana.
Come on, man. Let him go.
Mureke agende bro, mureke. Grover arikomereza. Kugera hano asanga mushiki we.
Mary?
Amanota yayataye.
Oh my God.
Mana nyagasa.
What happened?
Ntabwo si byabaye.
I never know before.
Aya manota nacuranga nari nyazi kuva na mbere. Kombe dayima aracuranga n'imirya yacitse kare.
What's happening?
Bro nibyo kumba. Sister humura. Kozi yatangiye guhinda umuriro.
You can't tell them about this.
Utagira icyo babwira sibyo?
They're
Babarira.
gonna want to lock me up.
Nabizi barahita bashyira mu kato muri karantini baramfungirana.
I'm not going to tell any of the others, but Mary, they're starting to ask questions.
Umva ndabizi nta muntu ndi bwako Mary batangiye kumbaza ibibazo byinshi.
And I can't do
Well, then
anything about it.
Ntacyo nabikora mwateceka basi.
Tell them that I'm resting.
Ngagenda babwire ko nduhutse basi umfungirane nyenyine.
Buy us time, please.
Basi migiye ndi kumwe bro. Ndakwinginze. Babe mfungira nawe ko nduhutse. Tibatangiye kubaza byinshi ntabwo naguhishira.
But don't move.
Are kutavano sibyo? Ugume hano paka. Gakobwa mugenzi katangiye guhinduka.
I don't know.
Simbizi.
I'm telling you, the codes were set.
Sasa umukobwa barako amatwi ye bakurura cyane.
I don't know what to do.
Arimo arumva abantu bose bari kuvuga. Ijambo ry'ibanga hari ibyemereye. Ari muri sare bwa gatari barumva amajwi hakurya hakuno. Ko abantu baganira. Tayari.
Somehow they knew.
Hari ukuntu babimenye.
Valhalla knew, and they're still
operational. Ariko aracyari ari operation zijya mbere. Sinzi arimo aravugana nabandi. Agize gutya abona hari kumwumva. Buretse.
Wait.
Wibuka yari arabice yuko ari abo hanze bavugana. Yewe umva. Arakome. Mary.
I can explain.
Nagusobanurira umva ariko ubuza kwamvugana n'abantu bo hanze mva mubwire. Abandi abayishe kafite abana kominikana nabo. Hari umuvumbuye Mary. Aramukurikira. Jamindani. Sasa Kananga.
Where are you?
Yeah, uri. Hey. Imara agenda. Patana akarukabiza kafera beto. Ucana itara.
What the hell are you doing?
Urakoresha Mary rekera. Mary yahindutse. Yabaye urwirungu. Tayari. Hey.
He's been in there for like an hour.
Ati mbanza sinzi ko bari bugumane paka.
If you ask me, he shouldn't even come out.
Yewe nje mbabagirira inama n'uriya musore ntiyasohoka.
No one asked you.
Ariko nta n'uwabikubajije.
If she can get sick from freaks, that means we can get sick from her.
Bivuze ngo niba yanduzwe na biriya bintu byaturutse hanze dushobora kuba nawe yatwanduza.
I say we lock her up and stay the hell back.
Ati cyo nsaba ni kimwe nuko twamufunya tukaguma hano tumeze neza.
He's right. It's not safe.
Ibyo umukobwa avuga nibyo nta mutekano ari umukobwa atuje mu twakwandura twese.
What, like she's some animal?
None se mushaka kumwita inyamaswa.
Still a human being.
Nawe aracyari umuntu.
Just like Addie was.
Nuko Adi nawe yari ameze.
Like all of them were.
Nuko bose bari ameze.
No threat to us.
Ariko nta n'ikibazo yadutwara.
Even if she turned, she
You mean when?
Kaba nubwo ahinduka ryari.
When she turns.
Nahinduka.
Mary can't leave that room.
Mary ntabwo yava muri kiriya cyumba aragumamo. Arajya mu kato.
Look, I hate to admit it, but he's right.
Mwana nje sinabe hakana ariko usibye ko byavuga ari ukuri. Nahinduka agume mu kato.
I mean, look at her.
Mwana murebe ukuntu ameze bro.
She's a threat to all of us.
Kuri twese yatubyarira ibibazo nta kindi.
Not to Grover.
Ariko kuri musaza wese.
Grover will do anything he can to save her. That's
Grover we yakora icyo ashoboye cyose kugira ngo arebe ko yatabara mushiki we.
exactly why we can't trust him.
Ariko nema murato tamwizera.
Dude, at least he cares about her.
Which is
Yaba nawe yita kuri mushiki we.
exactly why we should trust him.
None se iyo nema mutatu turo tumwizera.
Why didn't he tell us about her?
None se ubone kuki atatubwiye ko mushiki we arwaye kuva nakare.
Why did he hide her from us?
Kuki yabiduhishe?
Because I have a sinking feeling
Kubera ko nyafite kuntu ndimo nabyumva n'ibyiyumviro byanjye.
we're gonna figure that out the hard way.
Turabimenya mu buryo bukomeye. Impamvu yabiduhishe. Hambiriye mushiki we.
Mary,
Mary,
I'm here for you.
Mary ndari ku bwawe, sibyo? Gashikike.
Say something.
Mary gira icyo umbwira. Gira icyo uvuga. Mugenzi igerezaho ugutwi. Ati kill me nyica. Kugira mugenzi njye kubagora. Njye kubatesha umutwe nahindutse. Unyicire. Banaho baza kuduporezo.
More peas?
Hari ukeneye amashazo?
Grover, come down, yeah?
Grover nagaraza kurya.
What do you think?
Tekereza iki?
He knows we're pissed at him.
Bizko twamurakariye.
So?
Ago nakwemeza.
This isn't easy for him either.
Yewe ntago yimworoye namugapfa namwe gusakuza mwasama.
This isn't easy for any of us.
Muri twese namwe byoroheye.
This has been delightful. Gotta get moving.
Ngana nje kancomoke byari byiza gusangira namwe. Jessica gakobwa ka Violet. Kavayo. Neko mugenzi bajyaga bapingana mu kigo gahorana umushiha. Ati baye byiza baza ukarya.
I did everything that I could.
Nakoze ibyo nari nshoboye. Ariko nk'umuntu byanze.
There's just too many of them.
Ati byanga byakundu yabahindutse ni benshi.
This is not your fault.
Ati musore nagara amakosa yawe.
But hiding her.
Gusa kumuhisha. Ati nibyo nari nshoboye kuba nakora. Naye nakoze ibyo nshoboye nk'umuntu.
Let her sleep, Grover.
Ngamureka ryame Glover.
Come down and eat.
Ngwino hasi basu nabone icyo urya. Bari ku munsi wa kabiri nta kintu baraporeza. Danje namworosa. Bande hasi barimo baraporeza. Tayari. Hey. Ndakubwiye uruganda rwaturitse. Baheze mu kigo. Ngenzi nyamuni nabari mararira. Nyiri bimogi nawe. Yarasigaje kimwe cy'uyu munsi. Ntago narekera kumutekereza uriya mukobwa.
About Addie.
Adi ntago narekera kumutekereza. Yewe wibyishyiramo cyane.
I can almost hear her voice.
Ati rero ndacyumva amajwi ye mu matwi yanjye.
She had so much trust in me.
Ati niwe muntu wanyizeraga kurusha n'abandi.
And I let her down.
Ntago nigeze mutererana. Witekereza nabi.
So Coach said.
Na coach niko yavugaga. Nimba yagiye byakire.
When you're going through hell, just keep going.
Niba uri murajyana mu kuzimu komeza ugende. Nta mahitamo guna afite. Ibyago byaje cyukura byakira. Gerageza urebe ko waruhuka. Kumbuye akaryamya. Wa mukobwa Mary uko ari hakuno tayari yaragize arahinduka. Ndacekira yaruka igenze. Nimuti kwizikurikira ndacyariwe Samaro hasta la vista. Bayitaga freakish. Ndabakunda cyane cyane. Right.